Defining goal setting, your roadmap to success. Goal setting is a powerful process. It involves identifying what you want to achieve. It's about creating a plan to get there. It's a roadmap that guides your actions. Think of it like planning a trip. You wouldn't just hop in the car and go. You'd choose a destination, map out a route, and pack accordingly. Goal setting is similar. It gives you direction and helps you stay on track. It's about making conscious choices to reach your desired outcomes. Whether it's personal growth, career advancement, or improving relationships, goal setting empowers you to take control of your life's journey. It's about turning your dreams into reality, step by step. The power of goal setting, why it matters. Goal setting is not just about achieving specific outcomes, it's about the transformative journey it takes you on. When you set goals, you gain a sense of clarity and purpose. You can focus your energy and efforts on what truly matters. This focus helps you avoid distractions and make progress towards what you want to achieve. Moreover, goals fuel your motivation. They provide a sense of direction and a reason to strive. With each milestone you reach, your motivation soars even higher. Goal setting also enhances your self-confidence. As you set and achieve goals, you prove to yourself that you are capable of accomplishing great things. This newfound confidence then spills over into other areas of your life. Types of goals. Navigating your path. Goals come in different shapes and sizes, each serving a unique purpose in your life. Short-term goals are those you aim to achieve in the near future, typically within a few weeks or months. These goals act as stepping stones, paving the way for larger aspirations. Long-term goals, on the other hand, represent your ultimate ambitions. They require sustained effort and planning over an extended period, often several years. Personal goals focus on your individual growth and well-being. These might include improving your health, learning a new skill, or strengthening relationships. Professional goals center around your career aspirations. Examples include getting a promotion, starting a business, or mastering a specific skill set. Goal-setting frameworks, your tools for success. Over the years, various goal-setting frameworks have emerged to provide structure and guidance. One such framework is SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. OKRs, or objectives and key results, is another popular framework. It focuses on setting ambitious objectives and defining measurable key results to track progress. WOOP, which stands for wish, outcome, obstacle, and plan, is a mental strategy. It helps you identify your wishes, envision the desired outcomes, anticipate obstacles, and create action plans. These frameworks provide valuable tools to enhance the effectiveness of your goal-setting process. Section 5. Achieving your goals, a step-by-step guide. Achieving your goals is a journey that requires a systematic approach. It all starts with defining your goals clearly. What do you want to accomplish? Once you have a clear vision, break down your goals into smaller, more manageable steps. This makes the journey less overwhelming. Consistency is paramount. Make it a habit to work towards your goals regularly, even if it's just small steps each day. Tracking your progress is crucial. It allows you to see how far you've come and make adjustments as needed. Celebrate your successes along the way to stay motivated. Section 6. Strategies for goal success. Maximizing your potential. Visualization is a powerful technique. Create a vivid mental picture of yourself achieving your goals. Imagine the feelings of accomplishment and joy. Effective time management is crucial. Prioritize your tasks, set deadlines, and minimize distractions. Accountability plays a vital role. Share your goals with someone you trust or find an accountability partner. A positive mindset is essential. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your goals. Embrace continuous learning. Seek out new knowledge, skills, and perspectives that can support your journey. Section 7. Common goal-setting mistakes, avoiding pitfalls. Setting unrealistic goals is a common mistake. While it's great to aim high, ensure your goals are attainable. Failing to break down goals into smaller steps can lead to overwhelm. Lack of consistency is a recipe for failure. Make it a habit to work towards your goals regularly. Neglecting to track progress can make you lose sight of how far you've come. Giving up too easily is another pitfall. Obstacles are inevitable. View them as opportunities for growth and learning. Section 8. Tools and resources empowering your goal-setting journey. Fortunately, a plethora of tools and resources are available to support your goal-setting endeavors. Goal-setting apps provide a digital platform to set, track, and manage your goals. Journals offer a space for reflection, planning, and tracking your progress. Books on goal setting provide valuable insights, strategies, and inspiration. Seek out workshops, webinars, or online communities dedicated to personal growth and goal achievement. These resources can provide guidance, support, and motivation along your journey. Section 9. Real-life inspiration stories of achievement. Countless individuals have achieved remarkable things through the power of goal setting. J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series, faced numerous rejections before finding a publisher. Oprah Winfrey overcame a challenging childhood to become a media mogul and philanthropist. These stories remind us that with determination, perseverance, and a belief in oneself, anything is possible. Remember the words of Nelson Mandela, "It always seems impossible until it's done." Let these inspiring stories fuel your own aspirations and empower you to achieve greatness.